to talk about how long to commence an action. When does the time run out? 20 years, Article 211 says you have 20 years to commence an action for a bond secured only by the issuer's pledge, whatever the hell that means, a money judgment, by state for real property, by grantee of state for real property, for support, alimony, and maintenance. So make sure, ladies, if he leaves you, you got 20 years to go after him.
Actions to be commenced within 10 years by anyone but the state for real property. Annulment of letters patent. To redeem from a mortgage against licensed architects, land surveyors, or landscape architects. Action to redeem from a mortgage must be commenced to redeem from a mortgage 10 years of condition of mortgage or date of recording or deed. 10 years. 10 years of breach or date of recording or deed. Action by a crime victim when the crime convicted of was specified in Executive Law 632. Added effective January 19th, 2016. Action by a victim of sex, labor, trafficking, or trafficking in persons must be commenced within 10 years, measured from when the person stopped being a victim. Action to be commenced within 7 years. A crime victim. But there had to be a conviction, and it's measured from the date of the crime, not the conviction.
Let me get a costume while you
All right, I'll try to be really serious. And now, here's Angela. Next is actions to be commenced within 6 years.
6 years, when no limit is prescribed. No limit. No contract. A contract. Contract. 6 years. Sealed instrument. 6 years. Mistake. 6 years. Fraud. 6 years. Mortgage of real property. 6 years. Public property. 6 years. Corporation against former director, officer, or stockholder. 6 years.
There's 8 of them. So sexual offenses gets 5 years. No criminal action required. But if there is a criminal action, no conviction is required.
Actions to be commenced within 4 years. Residential rent overcharge, 4 years. Rent is 4 letters, 4 years.
Start it over again. Yippee-ki-yay! Today we're going to talk about 3 years to commence an action. 3 years to commence an action is Article 214, and that's against the sheriff or an officer for non-payment of money collected upon execution. That means that he collected the money from somebody for you, but never gave it to you. Action to recover upon liability of penalty or forfeiture. Don't know what that is. Chattel. Injury to property. Personal injury. Malpractice other than medical, dental, and podiatric. And annul marriage for fraud. So if he's a fraud, we can get rid of him like it never happened. 3 years.